Hello, contestants, and welcome to the Jelly Bean Taste Test Challenge. There are 6 eggs in the basket in front of you, containing one of each flavor for you to guess. Flavors include cherry, strawberry, orange, lemon, green apple, and grape. Please choose carefully, or we will have to feed you to the dogs.
This is green apple and purple. Orange or lemon? Pink.
Are you looking?
Orange.
You think it was orange?
Yeah, what was it?
I'm not telling you until you're all done. You can't do. Mac, what color do you think your jelly bean was? The flavor?
Pink. Pink flavor.
That's not what you said.
What?
Show your jelly bean to the camera. Show it to the camera, Mac. I can't see it.
I ate it.
Show it. Okay, go ahead. Put it in.
Wait, should I get a new one?
Yeah.
What was it?
I'm not telling you until you're all done.
You just ate it. You can guess.
It's green apple.
That's a green apple.
Yeah, is it?
I'm not telling you until you're done.
Another green apple?
I feel like that was green apple.
Do you feel like that was green apple?
Wait, can I open one?
Yeah, keep going.
What is it?
All right, Mac, show us.
Okay,
Okay.
this is strawberry, I think.
Oh, now that you didn't see it. Okay. All right.
Quit peeking.
You're a little bit of a peeker.
Mine tastes like strawberry or like grape or something. This is strawberry. I knew it. It's very sweet. Not good.
No.
Okay, I'm opening another one. Oh, I can't get this one open.
It's kind of a side one.
I
Yeah.
know. I feel like the side. Where's my jelly?
There you go.
You can have.
It's in your egg. It's in your basket, Mac. Feel for the basket.
Okay, what color is this guy?
All right.
Okay.
Show the camera. Yep.
This is my jelly.
Let me see. Okay.
Strawberry orange.
Strawberry orange. Okay. Mac, what color is yours? What kind of flavor is yours? I'm sorry.
Orange.
Orange? Okay.
Mac, are you looking? I can't see anything. These are.
Should we do them all?
Should I just throw
I think Nori has a couple more.
Wait,
Nori has 2 more. I think Mac did all of his.
can you do more, please? Okay, what color is this?
Oh, you're showing the
I
camera.
think yeah, what is
We'll see.
Can I please have another jelly?
You can have as many as you want after Nori's done. Flavor.
Okay,
flavor.
I'm bringing back my Easter. This is great.
Okay.
Wait. I like that flavor. Is this the last one?
Yeah,
now?
Nori's on her last one now.
Am I an egg? This one is orange or lemon.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We'll see how you guys do after the video.